All right, we're here at Cam. We're doing a laundry pod machine with one bag that is 100% polyethylene material. So it meets all the recyclability requirements of today. So we've got the laundry pods. We're putting 32 into a pouch. So it goes up the bucket conveyor onto the scale. And then from here we move it through. We get a count by means of a mathematical calculation based on weight. So as we get the proper weight in the combined buckets down here, they'll release and let the product go down. So you see lots of videos of these on our site. I'm just going to show you the bags since that's the unique part. This is the customer's inkjet system. So these bags again are 100% polyethylene. They've got a CR zipper on the inside. We would typically be spraying the ink there for the inkjet. But for this, we're obviously not running that right now. We're just going to open the door here that's bypassed and show you the pickup. Due to the size of the header that's on here, we've also added a secondary rail to ensure that it doesn't collapse on itself with that extra zipper that's in there. So now they're just loaded as our normal bags. It's our target weights. So from here you can see the top guide rail picking up each bag. As usual, we open each bag. The fingers go inside the bag. Hold it open into station 5 where we drop the target weights, counts in this circumstance, into each pouch. Then we have gas flush or a plunger. And then we go into sealing it. Right now we're not sealing it, but we're going to turn the seal on. And then you'll see that actual seal happen. So when we make that seal, we're also closing the zipper, part of the child resistant zipper, to the other side of the bag, which I'll show you afterwards here. It's a very unique process we're doing there. See, these bags run extremely well. They do meet this single layer requirement for recyclability in many of the United States and all across Canada. That's good for seal. And then we'll open one of these up. So can you open that for me?
Yep.
So that's the way it's supposed to open. The top zipper's there right now. This child resistant zipper is now sealed to both sides of the bag. As you can see it here and also there. And it's very tight seal. Okay. And then the way that it starts is not sealed on the bag. And that's what we do here. All right, any questions? Reach out to us.